Alleging casteist insults at work, a trainee pilot with Indigo has accused three senior officials of telling him he was not fit to fly a plane and, quote, must stitch shoes instead. The 35-year-old, who belongs to a scheduled caste, has filed a police complaint as well. An FIR has been registered against Indigo officials Tapas De, Manish Sahani, and Captain Rahul Patil under the SC/ST Prevention of Atrocities Act. Indigo has termed these allegations baseless. The complainant first approached the police in Bengaluru. The cops there registered a zero FIR, which is an FIR that can be filed in any police station irrespective of where the crime took place. This FIR has now been sent to Gurugram, where Indigo is headquartered. Indigo has addressed these allegations by basically claiming, quote, Indigo upholds a zero-tolerance policy towards any form of discrimination, harassment, or bias and remains firmly committed to being an inclusive and respectful workplace. Indigo strongly refutes these baseless claims and stands by its values of fairness, integrity, and accountability and will extend its support to the law enforcement agencies as required, unquote, a spokesperson for the airline said. In his complaint, the trainee pilot referred to a meeting on April 28th at Indigo's Gurugram office. He alleged that during a 30-minute meeting, he was told, quote, you are not fit to fly an aircraft, go back to stitch slippers. You are not even worthy of being a watchman here, unquote. He said the harassment was aimed at forcing him to resign. According to the complaint, the harassment began as soon as he arrived at the office, which day allegedly ordering him to leave the phone and bag outside in a demeaning manner, according to a Times of India report. Quote, his instructions set the tone for the abuse that followed, the trainee pilot said in his complaint. He has also alleged that he had suffered professional victimization through unjustified salary cuts, forced retraining sessions, and unwarranted warning letters. He said he has raised the matter with higher officials and Indigo's ethics panel, but no action followed. Eventually, he was forced to file a police complaint, he said.